Stop scrolling if you keep watching meme coins explode after the move already happened and wondering how everyone else got in early. You are not alone. Most beginners are not losing because they picked the wrong coin. They are losing because they have no system. Right now, Wallet is getting attention on the Robinhood chain, but instead of asking whether Wallet will moon, we are going to use it as an example to learn how to trade meme coins, spot momentum, and avoid emotional entries. First, look at the Wallet chart. One thing I want to see when looking for new meme coins is volatility compression. This is when the Bollinger Bands start getting tighter. Think of it like a spring being compressed. Then price breaks upward with a strong green candle. But never trade the breakout based on the candle alone. We need confirmation. Look at volume when price breaks resistance and volume increases. It shows stronger participation behind the move. Then, check the MACD. If MACD turns bullish while volume expands, the setup becomes more interesting. But here's the warning. The RSI on Wallet is above the normal range, and that means momentum is already very aggressive. That does not automatically mean a crash is coming. It means a pullback or consolidation could happen. And this is where beginners get trapped. They see a huge green candle, they feel late, FOMO kicks in, and they buy the top. If you are learning how to trade meme coins, you need to stop chasing candles and start waiting for better entries. Here is the simple meme coin trading strategy. First, find momentum. Use Dexscreener to monitor new pairs, price action, liquidity, volume, and market cap. Look for rising volume, strong liquidity, and unusual activity. Second, check the token before buying. Check the contract address, liquidity, holder distribution, and suspicious wallet activity. Also understand the token taxes and trading restrictions. A great-looking chart means nothing if the token itself is dangerous. Third, never buy the biggest green candle when price goes vertical. Wait for a possible pullback and retest. If previous resistance becomes support and buyers return, you may have a cleaner entry. This is what separates trading from gambling. You are waiting for confirmation instead of reacting to FOMO. Fourth, start small. You do not need to go all in. Use a small position first. If the trade confirms and price keeps making higher lows, you can consider scaling in. If it fails, your loss stays controlled. Market cap also matters for Wallet. The 3 million market cap area is an important level to watch. If buyers continue defending it, the setup may remain interesting. But remember, support can fail. That is why you need an exit plan before entering. Maybe you are searching for the best meme coin to buy. Maybe you are learning how to buy meme coins on the Robinhood chain. Or maybe you are exploring Arbitrum L2 or learning how to trade Solana tokens. The chain does not change the fundamentals. Find momentum check, liquidity research, the contract, study the holders, wait for confirmation, manage your risk and protect your capital. There is no guaranteed 100x. Meme coins are extremely volatile, and you can lose money just as quickly as you can make it. Never trade money you cannot afford to lose. If your position moves strongly in your favor, consider taking partial profits and protecting your original capital. The goal is not to predict whether Wallet will moon. The goal is to understand why traders are watching it and use that information to improve your trading. Once you understand momentum, volume, liquidity, and risk management, you stop chasing random coins and you start trading with a system. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe to the channel and comment with the next meme coin you want me to analyze. Trade with a plan, protect your capital, and never let FOMO make the decision for you.